So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you the latest updates regarding the Redmi Note 9 Pro. I've already made a video on this topic, but this is an updated version and this is like overall everything you need to know about the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So again, like just consider subscribing to our channel because it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now let me discuss all of its specifications. The number one specification, which is the most exciting factor regarding this smartphone, is the camera. This phone is going to be featuring 6 cameras at the back, and if you really don't know that why there are so many cameras on smartphones, you can check out my video in which I have given in-depth information that why are there so many cameras. So guys, now let me tell you, the main camera of the Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to be of 108 megapixels. Yes guys, 108 megapixel main sensor is going to be in this smartphone, and again with additions to the optic sensor, the 3D biometric sensors, and there are a lot of telephoto lens and different type of lens which Redmi or Xiaomi is opting for. Now let me come to the battery capacity. Well, this smartphone is featuring a 5500 milliamp hours battery, which might not be like comparatively to 6000 milliamp hours, but again this smartphone is featuring 5G support. Yes guys, 5G support is coming with this smartphone inbuilt, and it is going to be pretty great to see that Xiaomi implementing like this great technology in a budget range smartphone. Again, now let me talk about its display. The display is going to be a 6.7 inch Super AMOLED display, and again it is not confirmed whether this display panel is going to be of 90 Hz, but guys, let's hope for the best and let's see what Xiaomi has in store for us. The front and the back, the both glass panels are going to be of Gorilla Glass 6. So again, you have greater technology built in here, so this may survive the waist height and the chest height drops very easily. So now let me come to the overall conclusion, and that is, should you wait for this smartphone, and when is this smartphone coming, and what is going to be the price segment? Well, let me tell you, first of all, the Redmi Note 8 Pro is definitely a best buy for now, because not only it features a quad camera array, but also you are getting a 64 megapixel sensor. But with this camera you are getting a 108 megapixel sensor, and also with this display you are not going to be having any notch, any of the funky kind of stuff. You are going to be having a complete 99% display panel. So definitely my suggestion would be that you should wait for this Redmi Note 9 Pro. So guys, now the question is that when is this smartphone coming? Well, it is expected that this Xiaomi is going to be launching this smartphone in the Q1 of 2020. Q1 means a period from January to March or till April's first week. So this is the span when Xiaomi is expected to launch its Redmi Note 9 Pro device. And also I want to include one thing, that this smartphone, as it does not have any teardrop notch or any notch kind of mechanism, so this is having the pop-up selfie camera which is of 32 megapixel. Yes guys, with the Redmi Note 5 you have with you 5 megapixel. Later on the size has gone on to be 12 megapixels, then 20 megapixels, and now you are having the 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is great for the price segment. And now let me come to the price segment. Well, it is not confirmed yet. The current Redmi Note 8 Pro is starting at 15,000 Indian rupees, so this might start at 18,000 Indian rupees or 17,000. So guys, in today's video I just wanted to include all of the latest news and latest updates regarding the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So if you have liked today's video, and if you like to stay updated from tech world and Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. This was a very short little video, but hope so that you have liked today's video. If you have liked today's video, then give this video a like, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,